that wine, if you guys are wondering why there's wine in our closet, no, we do not drink on our job site. That is for our wine wall. And if you guys want to see a photo of our wine wall, and if you guys, god damn it.
Welcome to this week's video where we're going to talk about our custom closet cabinets that we're doing in all of our closets.
Why not the kitchen?
Because Sam likes to promise things and not deliver on them.
I said maybe.
So you can see they're working on the custom chevron pattern butcher block.
Don't show them too much.
But we're not going to show that this week. Subscribe to the channel below, hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified.
Next week kitchen, I promise.
So let's get into the closets.
Behind us, you guys can see our custom closet cabinets. This is not completely finished. We still have to add the clothes hanging rods, but this is the simplest one that we have. And now let's talk about how we ended up going with the custom cabinets instead of Wayfair.
We started trying to order things off Wayfair. They said they were going to ship a certain day, and then we got emails saying, oh, this has been delayed, that's been delayed. So we quickly realized that that wasn't going to happen. So we said, what's the next best thing?
IKEA.
Get it from IKEA. So we went into IKEA, we designed our pack systems for the closets, figured out exactly how we wanted it, and it was going to cost us about like $4 grand.
And an hour after designing all of this, what did we find out?
That they don't have a lot of the stuff in stock.
A majority of the stuff.
Majority of the stuff. So we bought like just a few items from that IKEA. Then I drove around to other IKEAs. Sam drove around to other IKEAs.
Pro tip, the way we were kind of sourcing these is IKEA's computer inventory system updates from like 8 to 10 p.m. at night. So if you're logged in at that point, you can order the things that you want if you had them added to your cart. It'll tell you which store has them in stock. You order them and then you have to pick up within 24 to 48 hours. But after doing that for a week, we realized this is not going to work and the cost of everything seems pretty high. So at that point, we decided, let's talk to Art Modern Design, who's wrapping up our kitchen for us, because as you guys know, we had issues with our original kitchen cabinet maker. We reached out to them and said, hey, how do we get this done? Can we make it affordable? Can we make it worth our while? And he made a deal for us. We're gonna get more into the pricing at the end of this video, but in the meantime, let's go over the features of the closet, what we decided to do in every closet, and why we decided to do that.
So here in the entrance of the house, we have our coat closet. They also added a shelf and a clothes rail here. You gotta have this. I love the coat closet. So I'm in the laundry room where we had this pantry installed. They call it a pantry because it's very tall. It's a 2-door pantry, very nice. Top and bottom to store things away in your laundry room. We also have this shelf that runs across from the pantry to the other wall. Nice big shelf to store stuff up there. The thing that's not installed right now is this rod. It's gonna be like a clothes rail where you can hang dry things that come out of the washer that you're not supposed to put in the dryer. We also have the sink that we had installed from Home Depot. We didn't really like the handles on it, but quick tip, we just went and got matching handles for that sink, switched them out, and it looks a lot nicer now.
So the closet in office / bedroom 1 was designed a little bit different from the rest of the house. We try to take in mind what the end user is going to use this for and try to make it as versatile as possible. So in this case, we have 6 shelves in the middle and we're going to have a rod there and a rod there. So if this is a bedroom for someone, they have shelving for their clothes and they have rods to hang their clothes. If this is an office, you can put your winter clothes here and you can use these shelving for your office materials. We try to be as versatile as possible. Obviously, the end user could come in here and want this to be more custom, and they're more than welcome to customize this even further. As far as the wine goes, I know what you're thinking. Why is there wine on a construction site? No, we do not drink wine on our construction site. We actually use this to display our wine wall and see the full effect of it. If you guys want to see the photo of our finished wine wall, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. I posted a photo there already, and let me know what you guys think about that. Let's jump to the next closet.
So here in the linen closet, we have adjustable shelves so you can set them to whatever height you need. We also left this area empty so that you can put a vacuum, a broom, a ladder, make this truly a utility closet. Now let's jump into the bedrooms. I'm in bedroom 2's closet right now, where you can see we put a double rail and we have some drawers and some shelves. When they first brought this closet here, what we didn't take into account is this little door latch. This drawer was hitting that latch and we could not open this drawer, so we actually had to add an extra panel and space it a little bit further away from the wall so that the drawer can clear. These are just some of the things that you notice on the job site right away when you're installing it. It's something that nobody would have really thought of. This tiny lip causing us a problem to opening our drawer. This is bedroom 2's closet. Bedroom 3's closet looks almost exactly the same, but flipped around. Now that you've seen these, let's jump into the master bedroom.
The favorite for everyone is the master. Now, looking back, I wish we did our master closet a little bit bigger, but we were confined in space, and this master is already really big to begin with. But you guys know how I am. I want everything bigger, better, more expensive, which Eddie's not a fan of. Let's talk about some of the features in this closet. Now, the way we kind of laid out this closet is to have a double hanger here, a double hanger here. In the back over here, we just have a top hanger with a bottom shelf for your long dresses and stuff. We all know who's gonna use the master closet most. And on this side, we have shelving. This is great for either shoes, purses, or anything you guys would like. One of the other cool features in this closet is the drawers. We have 4 drawers here. And the best part about these drawers is, as you guys can see, the installers are willing to stand on them. That's how powerful these drawers are. They support a lot of weight. I think they're a great idea in general. You have shelving up here, you have your drawers. If you want to not have stuff in your nightstand, you can put it in your closet. Another one of the cool features that they put a lot of attention into is the paneling and how they conjoined everything and how they placed everything. You could see in some of our closets, we had outlets that fall into the panels. They beautifully recessed those over so that it looks very seamless. You guys can also see these joints. When they're connecting these joints, how precise they are about making sure everything is precisely leveled and smooth. So to be honest with you, you can't even tell there's a joint here. And we're gonna have LED lighting running across the top of the cabinets. That's gonna create depth, extra lighting, and make the space feel a lot larger. I think one of the main things in closets is you want to have a lot of light. That being said, let's jump out of the closet and join Eddie and talk about how much this all cost us and how long this process took. And that's it for all of our custom closets and custom cabinets. I say custom cabinets because we talked about the laundry as well, which was initially not part of the plan with the closets, but let's talk about the price of everything, why we decided to go with Art Modern Design, and how much it ended up costing us.
Art Modern Design was finishing up our kitchen. We were really happy with the work that they were doing there. And we said, hey, how much for these closets? They said $5,500. We'll do all the closets here and take care of everything for you guys. That includes the rails, the drawers, everything.
What wasn't included at the time, as I said, was the laundry room. We added that later, but they did us a leap of faith or hope or kindness or whatever you want to call it and threw that in. So we really appreciate them for that. We also appreciate them for the price of the closet. The reason being is that they extended an offer or availability on products and finishes and material that was available. So we ended up paying the same amount we would with regular finishes for our oak finish. It's an oak, it's a natural oak, I think.
It's a type of oak finish. It's not exactly the color like our kitchen is, but they said, hey, this material, we can get it for cheaper. We said, let's do it. It looks close enough. Sometimes you gotta compromise on these things.
And they ended up saving us a lot of money. Like we said, the IKEA stuff was around $4,000 plus install. We ended up doing this for $5,500 and we got a much, much better product, and it's custom tailored to fit our entire house.
So we're really happy with Art Modern Design. We're gonna put their information down in the description below. If you have a project for a kitchen or your closets that you want done, hit them up, get in contact with them, and they'll come see your job. They'll take care of you like they took care of us.
That wraps it up for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Next week, we're gonna talk about our kitchen wrapping up. Promises, deliveries.
We'll see.